friends, time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today. In the first half of the trading session, the Nifty was trading with a negative bias. However, in the second half of the trading session, the Nifty bounced back sharply from the 7700 odd levels and closed with a gain of 42 points in today's trading session. Bank Nifty was the major contributor or the star performer of the day, which closed with 1.5% gains in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI, Bharti Airtel, Lupin, HDFC were some of the major gainers in trade today, while L&T, State Bank of India, Infosys and Tata Motors closed with marginal losses. L&T in fact was down close to 7% in today's trading session. The small cap index and the mid cap index were closed positive with gain of 0.4% and 0.6% respectively. The market breadth was though negative with 749 advances to 789 declines. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive today after two daily negative closes. It has taken support around 7700 odd levels, and we expect today's low to hold on, and we expect the positive momentum which has started today to continue in the coming trading sessions. Today's low of around 7707 on Nifty spot should hold on, and if that is breached, only then we can slip to 7676, which is the 20-day simple moving average. So traders can go long on Nifty with a stop loss placed at 7707, which is the low it touched in today's trading session. On the hourly chart, you can observe that in the second half of the trading session, the Nifty pulled back sharply and it closed above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which indicates that now the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages will act as a crucial support for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. 7758 and 7746 are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, so that should act as a crucial support for Nifty. And the hourly momentum indicator has also triggered a positive crossover, which indicates that every dip is now a buying opportunity in Nifty, and 7707 should be the ideal stop loss. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty, we can observe that Bank Nifty has closed in the closed with gains today. It has taken support at the 38.2% retracement of the entire rise which we have seen, and it has also taken support at the 20-day simple moving average. These levels are placed around 15,150, which is today's swing low, and 15,200, which is the 20-day simple moving average. So this 15,150, 15,200 support should hold on, and the Bank Nifty should also continue its positive momentum starting today. Crucial supports are placed at 15,150 and 15,089. On the upside, 15,570 and 15,630 are crucial resistances. Once Nifty crosses these crucial resistances, we can see breakout or huge positive momentum in Nifty, in Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks as well. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. 7707, which is the low it touched today, should not be breached on the downside. If it is breached, then the next crucial support comes to at 7676, which is a 20-day simple moving average. On the upside, 7840, which is the all-time high, 7841 and 7870 are crucial resistances. That's all for the day. Thank you.